What's up, Sushi family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Santos. Today I'm gonna show you very delicious dragon roll with different ingredients. For that I'm going to use the salmon. Here I have the block of salmons, sushi grade fish, and I have here French leeks. I cut and I washed 2-3 times and I put here. So for the sushi decoration idea, I'm making here the carrot sakura, carrot flour, some starch, and I have here the mint. I'm going to use avocado, mango, coffee stick, that is the kanikama, lemon. I have here the toasted sesame seeds. That's the pepper. I'm going to use the pepper as well. And definitely you should have sushi rice. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, how to cut salmon, how to cut avocado for sushi, and how to cut mango, how to cut cucumber, you can check link on my description box, or you can visit my YouTube. You will find all the things there. Okay. First of all, I'm always saying let's make the teju. That is the vinegar I'm putting in the container. That's the water, normal water, tap water. I'm going to use the vinegar here. Yes. That's the equal quantity of water and vinegar called teju. It will prevent the bacteria and when we are working, moisturize our hands. And we'll take out the sushi rice. We'll start to work with the fish. Let's start from the salmons. First of all, I'm going to take the skins. Cut just here. I'm not going to cut all the skins. Just here and slope down. Yes. Wow, nice. Now I will catch the skins, then after I will pass the knife in between meat and skins. That is the belly part. Yes, good. Yes. I'll cut in small dice cut. Just a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit French garlic, and I'm going to use a little bit pepper. I'm going to use skin of lemon zest, okay, not too much, just a little bit. That is the coffee stick, just a little bit kanikama. I'm going to use this one also. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit, 1 small teaspoon of soya. Yes, that is the normal mayonnaise, okay? And definitely I love to use always sesame, toasted sesame seeds. Mix it so it will be marinate and the taste of the salmon will be really good. Yes, that's our feeling for the dragon sushi rolls. How to make sushi with Sushi Santos. Today's sweet also have raw side and shiny side. As you can see here, that is the shiny side, that's the raw side. As you can see here, always we have to place the sushi rice on the raw side. Take the small rice ball like this and put in the middles, then separate it. I love to separate it like this. As you can see here, softly and gently. I'm going to make the same as like the in our language we call maki. I'm going to make the inside out sushi roll, so I'm going to place the rice all around the sweet. You can separate like this by 2 fingers, or you can press downside like this. Now let's flip it. Okay, I'm going to flip it because that is the inside out sushi roll. Yes. Now I'm going to use a little bit avocado. I love to use a little bit. Now we'll put this marinated salmons. Let's roll it. When you have the small dice and small like this salmons, if you don't have the tira, long stripe of the salmons, it will be a little bit hard to close, so we have to be careful. I'm leaving here 1 finger, always 1 inch margin almost, okay, you have to leave. And I'm putting a little bit more rice here, as you can see here. Now let's take out the bamboo mat like this. I love to use this finger, this 2 finger, to take the secure bamboo mat, and now the thumb finger will go here. That is the techniques, okay, that is the sushi rolling techniques. Now roll it. Push the ingredients inside. Yes, don't press too much, otherwise the water will come out and it can open your sushi roll. Then roll it softly and gently. I hope, okay, let's see. My sushi roll is closed properly. Yeah, just a little bit here problem, but it's no problem. Now let's cut the salmon slice. It's called salmon neta to put on the top of the sushi roll. Okay, very thin type. Okay, same as like the gunkan, but the gunkan will be free of 5 finger. That will be almost free of 4 finger. Yes, like this. Now I'm going to use a little bit of avocado as well. I'm going to slice it very softly and gently. Yeah. Give a little bit push to make the good shape. If you are cutting in just directly with this one, so you can cut if you have more experience, but I suggest all of my sushi lovers family, because I have to give the good suggestions. If you have that kinds of film paper, you can put here. Now I'm going to cut here. Now I'm going to use these ones to make good shape. Nice. As you can see here, it looks like very tight and very simple to cut. Okay, let's cut it. First of all, you should have the good knife, and always make your knife wet by the water, with water. Yes, your knife blade became wet, so sushi rice cannot be sticky. And some people cut like this, the knife will touch here and will cut like this here, but I don't know, so I love to cut. I'm going to put the knife in between the 2 fingers, so it will easy and it will secure. The knife will secure by the 2 finger, so it cannot move. You can cut one stroke like this, for example. Yes, that's the one stroke. If you have that kinds of rice, you have to clean. Always cut and clean, cut and clean. Secondly, you have the 3 stroke. 1 2 3, like this. 1 2 3. Yes, then let's go. After cutting all these sushi rolls, I suggest to all of my sushi rollers family once again give the shape. Yes, very softly and gently take out the plastic. Okay, for the plating, I'm going to use the bamboo leaves here, different color. Yes. Okay, let's put a little bit mayonnaise on the top of this dragon sushi. That's the Ikura salmon royo. Good. I use first time in my home. I'm going to use this sakura flower for the greeniness. Let's use that is the mint. Wow, so good, man. Look it. How is it? If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Wow, it's so good, man.